एक बहुत ही कॉमन बैटल है बिटवीन L-arginine वर्सेस L-citrulline, बट वो काम कैसे करते हैं and what makes them different compare करते हैं, तब it's very clear that L-citrulline might have advantage. However, depending on your specific needs and how your body responds, L-arginine might still be a valuable supplement to consider. एक बहुत ही कॉमन बैटल है बिटवीन L-arginine वर्सेस L-citrulline. Which one is better? Let's break it down. पहले समझते हैं कि L-arginine और L-citrulline होता क्या. L-arginine and L-citrulline are both amino acids जो बॉडी में बहुत ही important रोल प्ले करते हैं, especially when it comes to enhancing performance and building muscles. But वो काम कैसे करते हैं and what makes them different? वो समझने के लिए we need to talk about nitric oxide. Nitric oxide ये एक molecule है that helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, जिसके कारण blood flow and nutrient delivery to the muscles improve होता है. When you exercise, your muscles need oxygen to keep going, और वो oxygen blood carry करता है. तो जितना ज़्यादा blood, उतना ज़्यादा oxygen. L-arginine is like a helper that makes it easier for your body to send oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. तो ultimately muscles का functioning ज़्यादा होता है because there is more of oxygen. This is essential for muscle growth, endurance and recovery. और ये समझ गया तो आगे बढ़ते हैं और L-arginine exactly क्या करता है वो जानते हैं. L-arginine is a direct precursor of nitric oxide. मतलब L-arginine के बिना nitric oxide बनेगा ही नहीं. Basically, once you consume L-arginine, your body can quickly convert it into nitric oxide, providing a fast boost to blood flow and muscle performance. For those looking for immediate results, उनके लिए काफी beneficial. अब समझते हैं L-citrulline के बारे में. On the other hand, L-citrulline is slightly different. ये डायरेक्टली नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता. L-citrulline पहले L-arginine में कन्वर्ट होता है, which then ultimately boosts nitric oxide levels. This process might seem indirect, but it has a significant benefit, which is better absorption. L-citrulline is more efficiently absorbed by the body and can result in higher and more sustained level of nitric oxide. बस एक key difference is the absorption process. L-citrulline is absorbed more efficiently and doesn't break down in gut as sometimes L-arginine does. This means you get a longer lasting effect with L-citrulline, making it a more efficient option for a sustained nitric oxide production. जब दोनों को compare करते हैं तब it's very clear that L-citrulline might have advantage due to its better absorption and long-lasting effects. However, both amino acids are effective for boosting nitric oxide levels and enhancing muscle performance. Then सवाल ये है कि who should take L-arginine and who should take L-citrulline? L-arginine is ideal for those जिनको एक quick boost of nitric oxide चाहिए होता, such as athletes who are preparing for competition or anyone looking for immediate performance enhancement. L-citrulline is a better option for anyone looking for long-term benefits and sustained nitric oxide production. It is particularly effective for endurance athletes, bodybuilders, and whoever is looking for long-term muscle growth and recovery. Its superior absorption makes it a more reliable option for maintaining elevated nitric oxide levels over time. In conclusion, both L-arginine and L-citrulline can help improve muscle building and performance. L-citruline's superior absorption and sustained benefits makes it a better choice for many athletes and fitness enthusiasts. However, depending on your specific needs and how your body responds, L-arginine might still be a valuable supplement to consider. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.